Introducing the ultra-low dig Ecosure 1500 litre underground water tank. Perfect rainwater harvesting solution for commercial and domestic applications. Designed and manufactured in the UK. The 1500 litre is made from high quality, tough and durable medium density polyethylene. Low in height means it reduces installation time. It has a 500mm secure bolt down extended neck. This can be cut down to suit your ground level. The pump well allows you to use the full capacity of the water tank. You can add your own 4-inch outlets anywhere on the tank. Optional underground inline filters are available. Available in potable and non-potable grades.